How to fix Uber Eats promo not applied. The first things first is you really need to pay attention to the promo that you'll be using from Uber Eats before paying out. So the one that you need to take a look at first if there are some specific payment that you need to reach before you can use that promo code. But if you have figured out that there's nothing wrong with the code or there's nothing wrong with the requirements that you use, then what you want to do is just do a troubleshooting steps specifically from the application. The first things first is just simply tap and hold on your Uber Eats app, go to the eye icon, scroll down, and then at the lower part of the screen you should see force stop, uninstall, and clear data. Now choose on clear data and make sure that you will try or you will do both of these options that says clear all data and clear cache. Then once completed, if the promo code that you're using still not works, then just uninstall the application and try to reinstall the app again. So those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix Uber Eats promo not applied